Hey guys, okay, so I am coming to you guys something a little bit different. This is not going to be a glitter bundle or anything like that. What I have for you guys today are nail tips. So I have, let's see, a few different kinds here that I'm going to be putting up in my Etsy store within the next few days. So give me some time to put them up for you ladies that do prefer to shop at my store. But I'm also giving everyone the opportunity to go ahead and just request them from me. If you would like to just get them from me, it would be a lot cheaper, like I said, when you just email me, because then I don't have to add the extra charges to the Etsy prices. Alright, so you will definitely save a little bit by just emailing me. But of course, if you're more comfortable with just going through Etsy, it'll be there for you to grab whatever you like. Okay, so first I have here are going to be these. These are my only white tips that I have. I don't sell many white tips, so this is the only ones that I have, and they are regular size. I want to say regular, they're not extra long or anything like that. So these are kind of just like your average, and they're not full, they're not full tips, they are half tips. Okay, so you could go ahead and do the fill-in with your acrylic or your gel. Okay, so this is the white, and this is the only package that I have in white. It's 100 count, and I am doing these for $3. Okay, it's this one. And then I have the Empress Curve extra long ones, which are going to be these here. I am selling these. These are going to be at $5. They'll probably be $5.50 or even $6.50 when I put them up on Etsy. Okay, so if you want to go straight through me, they'll just be $5. So I have these available. As you can see, they are very, very long. They are very curvy. Okay, so I have it in the natural, and I have it also in the clear, if you prefer the clear, and they are also 100 count. These are my favorite. I have been using these for a very, very long time. These are kind of my go-to ones. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys. Okay, again, the clear and the natural, and they are going to be going for $5. All right, and then lastly, I have the stilettos, which are also going to be in the natural. As you can see, they are very long, nice and curvy. Again, 100 pieces. Okay, and also again in the clear, and these ones here will be going for $7. All right, and in my shop they most likely will be going for $7.50 or $8.50. I haven't decided exactly yet on the pricing and how much Etsy's going to be charging me, and as well as PayPal, so I do have to include that in the pricing when you do go on Etsy, so just keep that in mind. Okay, you're always welcome also to go on Etsy. Pick out what you like. I mean, send me the pictures of what you like, and just send it to my email, and I can just add it all up for you straight from my email, and you will save a couple bucks that way as well. All right, just wanted to put it out there for all you new viewers that are interested. Sometimes you want to see everything that I carry. You can go to my Etsy, and you can see a lot of the stuff that I do have on there, and you get a better picture of, you know, kind of a better idea of what I have, and the colors and the sizes. And I could definitely do larger sizes than what you see on Etsy. Just definitely email me and let me know, and I can let you know what I can do for you. Okay, so yeah, these are the new items that I will be having up in my Etsy shop in the next few days or so. So if you don't see them up yet this week, just give me some time. I am trying to, like I said, I'm still trying to get into the mix of taking care of everyone's orders and stuff like that. So as soon as I get a chance, these will be going up. All right, so that is what I have for you. Again, I do not have these in white, and I do not have these in white as well. And I also wanted to ask if you guys are interested in the full cover nails. Definitely let me know. I mean, I don't use full coverage, but if there is enough ladies that request to pick up full coverage, definitely let me know, and I will see what I can do about picking up full coverage nails for you guys. All right. So yeah, this is what I have for this year. I will have these, and then the only ones I will have in the white are going to be the little shorter ones. These are more like the standard size. So that's what I have for white, just these. If you want white tips, you can pick these up. All right, and these are not as long. Okay, these ones you could size them up to however you like. I love these. These are like my favorite. All right, guys, so that is what I have for you guys. Again, like I said, the regular extra curvy long are 5 each. The stilettos are 7, and then this one here is just 3. Okay, and then of course there will be shipping, but these don't weigh anything, so most likely it's going to be the standard $285 for shipping. All right, hopefully this year they don't raise up our prices again on the shipping, because it gets really annoying to have to charge extra shipping when you guys could be using that money towards more goodies, right? Alright guys, thanks you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I am going to be, probably next week, I'm going to try to start working on a Valentine's Day bundle with pinks and whites and purples, and if you guys have requests for anything else you would like to see in that bundle, definitely let me know, and I will try to include it in the bundle for you guys. Let me know if you guys prefer for me to stick to the teaspoons or tablespoons, or you guys want to see larger bundles. I am open to doing that as well. So I am looking into doing some more bulkier bundles. I spoke with my company, and they are willing to work with me to doing like full pound bags of the extra fine glitters, like in holographic and metallic. So if you ladies that are interested in buying in bulk, like in those kind of sizes, even 2 pounds, definitely let me know, and I will try to see what prices they want to give me on that. And if you're open, you know, just to paying for the shipping for it, I can see what I can do for you guys with that. All right, so yeah, yay, New Year's. Let's start off on the right foot, guys, and stay positive. No negativity out there, guys. Everyone support each other, please, please. And until next time, guys, bye.